Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we'll be giving you a glimpse into the world of asset management and its growing relevance in the era of technological advancements. You will learn about its impact on your organization's efficiency, performance, and overall reliability. We'll go over the systematic approach to asset management, how it can enhance your maintenance initiatives, and how it can transform your maintenance costs into profit centers. So let's jump into the exciting world of asset management. With the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, augmented reality, and other technological advances, asset management strategies have become more crucial than ever. So what's asset management all about? It's all about maximizing the efficiency, performance, and reliability of an organization's assets. These could be anything from production line equipment to transportation fleets or even autonomous robotic vehicles. A well-implemented asset management program ensures optimal performance, minimizes unscheduled downtime, reduces operating costs, and extends the life of critical equipment. Let's break down what's involved in asset management. It's a systematic approach that covers organizing, operating, maintaining, upgrading, and disposing of assets throughout their entire life cycle. This process starts with strategic planning and purchasing of the asset, moves into efficient implementation and staff training, and includes continuous monitoring of that asset's performance with predictive maintenance tools such as sensors. The goal? To maximize that asset's value while minimizing potential risks of failure and downtime. But how does asset management enhance maintenance and reliability initiatives in an industrial manufacturing setting? Let's explore a few ways. First, it supports proactive maintenance strategies. While reactive maintenance has its place, businesses often aim to shift to a more proactive program that includes both preventive and predictive maintenance. Asset management facilitates this shift, leveraging data analytics, machine condition monitoring techniques, and historical performance information. The more accurate data an organization has about its critical assets, the more likely it can identify and address potential failures before they occur. Next, asset management improves resource allocation. Given the current labor shortage in manufacturing and maintenance, it's crucial to allocate these limited resources efficiently. Asset management helps by categorizing assets based on criticality, reliability, and performance. This allows organizations to prioritize their maintenance efforts and allocate resources where the work will generate the greatest return for the effort. Asset management also guides data-driven decision-making. Gone are the days of relying solely on the expertise, experience, and memory of seasoned maintenance managers. Today, asset management relies on accurate and timely data collection, analysis, and interpretation. By using computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS, and Internet of Things tools such as sensors, organizations can capture real-time asset information, maintenance histories, and performance metrics. Moreover, asset management mitigates risk. It helps identify and manage risks associated with asset failure, such as machine malfunctions that can result in employee accidents or injury, damage to end products, or violations of government or industry regulations. Promptly addressing these risks reduces the likelihood of catastrophic failures, enhances safety protocols, and ensures compliance with industry and government standards and requirements. Lastly, asset management can shift maintenance and reliability from being seen as a necessary cost to a profit center. Effective asset management allows organizations to optimize costs associated with maintenance and reliability. When activities are tied to increased uptime, higher quality products, and greater customer satisfaction, maintenance and reliability can be seen as a contributor to the overall success of a company. In conclusion, in today's competitive business landscape that is becoming increasingly complex with new technologies, organizations must focus on maximizing asset performance, reliability, and availability. Effective asset management lays the foundation for achieving these objectives. By adopting a comprehensive asset management approach, organizations can enhance maintenance and reliability practices that increase operational efficiency, improve customer satisfaction, and help businesses gain a competitive edge in the market. Embracing asset management as a core business practice is no longer an option, but a necessity for organizations who want to thrive and succeed in the future. And that wraps up our discussion on asset management. We've explored its importance, how it enhances maintenance initiatives, and its role in transforming maintenance costs into profit centers. Thank you for joining us. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your organization, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, staying informed is the key to staying ahead. Until next time, take care.